Hello, thanks for dropping in. So I let this thing run and run and run and run, and it did the last time through. It was not successful in its copying. As you can see, it didn't, well, it stopped on disk address change. Let us list this. Let's print ER. Okay. So according to this, in the 10 attempts, it did have errors. Now, these are old disks. I should really switch disks and see what's what. I should indeed. There's the A key, give me a hard time. La 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 la. But perhaps first, I will go up here and I will oh, look at that, it came up fine. Save. At. And that is done. Let's look at drive 1 for a second here. And it didn't like disk address change. Oh, well. Interesting. Let me think. I would really like to get a good copy of this. So, I'm just trying to think. Let me go here. Put in if DS equals, then P equals 11. Oops. So what this will do is if it copies, if a copy's okay and there's no errors, then it should stop. Let's say all done. All right, I'm going to run. I'm tickling the drives. And things are formatting. They are. They are indeed. So hopefully this will go through and it will be fine. I should mess around with the backup command a little bit. And I will. Just not right now. They are. But anyway, yes, I gotta grab some other discs. And right now, at this age of discs, it's hard to know what disc to trust. It is. Anyway, it is. Starting to copy. And we'll see if it makes it through okay this time. And if it does, shaboom. We're done. You know, it's funny, there was something in there. I obviously have some other counter in there. I probably didn't need to use the P variable. Oh, well, as long as it all works in the end. So I see the lights are flashing, back and forth they go. I do. That's always good. Flashing lights are good. The light we don't want to see on is the one right in the middle between the two drives, because that definitely means error, error, error. Oh, I hear a clunky noise. Uh-oh, I don't think it went well. It did not. So I guess this is going to keep running. So remember, if you were going to do this, just run, say you had a disk you wanted to copy and you didn't want to back it up. All you have to do, make sure the output disk is formatted, because the copy command doesn't do formatting. The backup command does formatting. Make sure the output disk is formatted, and then just say copy, C-O-P-Y, D0, and then the word 2, T-O, D1. Or, if you're so inclined, copy D1 to D0 and let her go. And, a whole disk will take, a whole full disk will take a while, but, you don't have to sit and watch it. You don't have to say, oh yeah, well, watch. I mean, the lights are pretty. You can turn out the lights and put on a little light show with the LEDs flashing, but you don't have to. You can just say copy. Now, backup is faster, but certainly, like right now, in this thing, that we're running, somehow or another, there is a file that does seem to be disagreeable. And definitely, using the copy command like this, you will find whatever file seems to be disagreeable. You will. Because if a file ends up on the output, there we go, on the output disk with an asterisk beside it in the directory, then it didn't copyright. It's not complete. It's not right. And hey, there's trouble there. Oh dear. I hear sounds that could be trouble. We will see. I think before, this typically was taking about 3.5 or so minutes to go through if it worked. And of course the last one took not that long. I think it might have been 1:57 to crap out, because initially it came up with a reading of 6 seconds. Anyway, it's still copying. Still copying. And maybe it will be okay. Anyway, I need to charge my other phone. And I had the microphones charging, but I think they're finished charging. They seem to do pretty well. Uh-oh, I hear that noise. But it's still going. Still going. And if the changes I have made actually are working and are effective, then, assuming this does do a good copy, which it seems to be doing at this moment, but we'll see, then it will stop. Okay, okay. Well done. So supposedly we have 2 copies of the disk. Anyway, that is doing things with the copy command. Not the backup command. Anyway, if you want to see the program here, I will list it. And I'll move down. Oh. Well, I mean, sorry, I can't get it all in here. I cannot. Maybe I should shoot a picture if the whole program will fit. Maybe I need to tidy it up a bit. Maybe I do. I do believe there was somewhere there that I did think I could do better, and I could make it more compact. But it will all fit on the screen. But there was something. Where was it? Oh, this thing. Yes. It doesn't need to have this space here. It doesn't. And this should say 1541. Now that's working. And I can probably, if this will work now, I can get rid of line 50, and now the 5 is working. Anyway, I think what I might do is shoot a picture of this screen and back off a bit. I'm just not sure if I can do this. Maybe I can. There's not a whole lot of room here. Oh, I know. I'll slide this down. Ooh, daring. I will type in list. Does that get the whole program? Ooh, almost. Almost. I'll just back up and not let the phone fall off the table. So there is the entire program. It sets the time or TI string at nothing. It sets some variables at 0, which really you don't have to do because it does that. It clears the screen. It adds 1 to P, and then it just opens and initializes the disks, adds 1 to X, and then carries on to print any errors, and it initializes both drives. Let me just see, does it open? Yeah, anyway, headers, copies, tells us what it's doing, checks for errors, etc. Now this one, does stop if it gets a successful copy, which I guess is not a bad thing. Because, golly, let me just check here this, excuse me, this looks like it looks the same. Anyway, I am getting kind of tired. So, I think what I will do though, maybe I will desave, save, copy, till, okay. Just a sec, I will slide this up for you. There. I saved another version of the program. And you know what? I could put a menu in. I could do all kinds of stuff. And maybe I will at some point. Copy till OK. Oh, yeah. So right now, if I was so inclined, I could do that again. Now just let me look here. Oh yeah, we still do the initialization of both disks. That's important. Yep. Well, maybe as we leave, I'll do that again. And we'll just let that run and see if it can get through. Because now there's a new program on that disk. Anyway, I suppose I will end up with many versions of the program. And I will have to document what it is that they mean. Yes, indeed do. Alright, well that is enough for now. I was up early, and now I think it's time to get some more rest. So, thanks for being here. David Bradley, signing off from the pet room. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.